Hey yeah,
Because all these
hey yeah, yeah, that's us, nigga. 4L, that's us, nigga. 21, that's us, yeah. 440, that's us. We in the beat, my nigga. We in the beat. We in the beat, my nigga. We in the beat. We in the beat, my nigga. We in the beat. 4L, we in the beat. 100, we in the beat. But hey, they wanna play. I will rap slow while the beat is skating, then I speed it up and catch it lit. Where the fuck you going? I get the ride and I get the flow, I get the catch and I get the oh man, hey. Then I catch that little freak and put her on the blog, nigga. Till I say that pussy bitch until I say start, nigga. Like 4 o'clock, I make her go to no o'clock, nigga. Beat your feet, bitch, yeah. Brain daddy figures, yeah. I can't be robbing, but I'm paying over there. I can't be trapping, but I hang over there. Oh yeah, I hang with the dope boys and rob down there. I was at the OE drilling, killing, stepping on them pussy niggas. I was at the OE robbing. Yeah, I ain't calling name, nigga, but they know about me. Yeah, one time a nigga fucking trap, blah 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 blah. And that's just how it go. I love that fucking sound. That's just how it go. That what they life about. When you a thought you gotta go to jail and close your mouth. When you a thought you get in situation, thug it out. Don't switch up because the other nigga bitch stuck. Don't switch up because that's not how it gets, bro. You do a little time and get your fucking mind right. You just wild out, okay, cool, get out alright, get out on some new shit, yeah. Get you some money, yeah. Get you some business, yeah. Stand for you something, yeah. Change up for something, yeah. Don't change up for nothing, yeah. Don't do a lot of time to go back to the same something, yeah. Them niggas just go watch you fall again and then you gon' become a do boy off of do too many beats and you gon' be left behind, nigga. Oh yeah, you better get on your fucking grind, nigga. Oh yeah, get some money and stack it way low. Oh there, nigga. Then move your family out there, nigga. Then you go right there, but then you go back there. Then you shut that motherfucker down. You trap it, raise hell, nigga. Beat the dope down, nigga. Trap it out, nigga. But never take that shit back to your house, nigga. Do never shit where you fucking stay, nigga. And that's how it went back in the day. So back in the day, need to come back to today because these niggas move reckless where they these babies falling victim, man. Hey, these babies falling victim, man, to the street.